feeding at two ends at A and B. Okay, at A and B, and it is delivering a 1 second. So this is A, this is B. Okay, that is a distributor, and this distributor is feeding at I. Okay, so here what we are discussing is actually they said that AB distributor length is L meters. Okay, length is L meters. Okay, for 1 meter current is I amps. Current is I amps. So for L meters, what will be the current? For L meters, okay, the current, okay, in AB distributor is, what is the current? The current is L into I. The current is L into I. Okay, so the length the length is L meters. So current is delivered is, you know, for every 1 meter the current is I meters. So total current in the distributor is Li amps. Okay, this is the total current in the distributor, Li amps. Okay, now here, since the distributor is feeding with the two sources, okay, current supplied by, okay, current supplied by A is, okay, so since it is of equal voltages, so the total load will be shared by equal halves. So total current is Li. So the current shared is Li by 2. The current shared is Li by 2. Okay. Now similarly, the same example I will repeat with another one. Okay. Let this is length is 10 meters. Okay. Let the length is the two sources A and B. Let the length is L meters. Okay. So length L meters, length 10 meters ayinapudu. So for every 1 meter. For every 1 meter current is 1 amp. So total current in the distributor is, total current is in the distributor is 10 amps. Okay. So current supplied by A source is 5 amps. Current supplied by A source is 5 amps. Okay. Current supplied by the source A is 5 amps. Now current supplied by B source is also 5 amps. Okay. A source is 5 amps, B source is 5 amps. Okay. Now what? See, the current which is delivering is 5 amps, and it is delivering of 5 amps. Okay. Now at some point, let at 3 meters. Okay. Let at 3 meters, the current is drawing. We are drawing a current of 1 amp. Okay. This is at 3 meters. So if the current is 1 amp here, let the point is C. Okay. This is A, this is B, right? Let the point is C. Now, what is the current at this point? Okay, simple is apply KCL, right? So 5 is coming, 1 is leaving, 1 amp is leaving. Okay. Sorry. Identama idi 5 amps kada, idi ekkada 3 meters daggara kadamma. So okay, fine. So let the current, okay. So 3 meters daggara draw chestunnam kada. So what is the current at this point? Okay, what is the current at this point? The current at this point is, we have to tell. Okay, and చెప్పుకున్నాం నేను. Okay, the current at this point is, at C దగ్గర current 1 amp డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి. I mean, sorry, for every 1 meter. So for every 1 meter current వచ్చేయమనుకున్నామా 1 amp అనుకున్నాం కదా, ఇది 3 meters దగ్గర కదా. సో 3 meters దగ్గర కరెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ అనేది మనము ఇట్ విల్ డెలివర్. ఓకే, సో అంటే ఏంది 3 meters కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 1 amp ఇచ్చి ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 1 amp ఇచ్చి ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 1 amp ఇచ్చి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ కరెంట్, ద కరెంట్ అట్ దిస్ పాయింట్ C is so 3 minus okay 1 2 3 remaining is 2 amps. Okay, similarly I think you got the point, right? Similarly, now we need to talk about now we need to discuss the same this example. Okay, that is you know, length of the distributor is length is L meters. Okay, one చూసుకున్నా కదమ్మా. Okay, current supplied by A source is Li by 2. Okay, let at point X, okay, ఇది B కదా, this is A, let this is a point X. Okay, so as we told you, right, for every meter the current is 1 meter. Let the current at X is x amps, right? So for every 1 meter దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు total current L అయినప్పుడు total current L into I. So we don't know, right? Let x is at somewhere. S is at sorry, C అనుకున్నాము, sorry, C అనుకున్నాం కదా. Let C is a point, okay? At C point, let the some current will be delivered. Let the current is x. I mean, sorry, the length is x. Okay, if the length is x, so the current in the distributor is what? The current in the distributor is, I mean to say, for x meter, the current is, okay, x into I. Ante kadamma. Total current vachi Li. I mean, total current in the distributor is Li by 2. I mean, sorry, Li. Current supplied by A is Li by 2, B is Li by 2. So total current in the distributor is Li saripotadi. Since for every meter the current is I amps, for L meters the current is Li amps. Since both ends it is of 2 equal voltages, so current supplied by A is Li by 2, B is Li by 2. Let C is a point which is at a point x. Okay, C is a point which is at x. Okay, so for every meter current is current is I amps. So for x meter the current is xi amps. Okay, now what will be the current at C? Okay, the current at C is so total current is from here is Li by 2. So that is the total current is Li by 2. So the current at point C is Ix. So the current at C is this one, right? Are you getting the point? The current at C is okay, Li by 2 minus I into x. So we here from this Li, okay, Li minus I into x. So మనం I ని గాని కామన్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, so it becomes L by 2 minus x. Okay, this is the current at x meters. Okay, now coming to this, now from this is at x meter, right? So now I am taking a small length dx. Now I am taking a small length dx from a C. Okay, C దగ్గర నుంచి, సో ఇది x మీటర్స్ అమ్మా, C అనేది x మీటర్ దగ్గర ఉంది. సో C నుంచి నేను I am taking a dx. Okay, I am taking a small length dx. Okay, so small length, so I am removing this. Okay, so the current at C is, you know, right, ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను నేను. So the current at C, the current, otherwise I'll write here, current at C is, okay, current I into L by 2 minus x. Okay, so this is the current. Okay, now at C I am taking a small distance dx. Okay, I am taking a small distance dx. Okay, now what is the voltage drop for a length dx? So you know, right, voltage drop. So I am calculating voltage drop for length dx. Okay, dx అన్న length కి voltage drop calculate చేస్తున్నామా. Okay, as you know, voltage drop V is equal to what? Okay, voltage drop V is equal to current I into R. Okay, I into R. Okay, so now here you need to know the current I, you need to know the resistance R. Now from this here, so since at x we know the current. Okay, at x point we know the current. The current at x point, I mean to say the current at C point, which is at x meters. So we know that current at C. Okay, current at C, we just know that current at C is I into L by 2 minus x. Since dx is a very small length, okay, dx is a very fraction of this. So I am assuming that for this length dx also, since this is x meters, okay, x is at C. Okay, I mean C is at x distance. So the current at C is I into L by 2 minus x, and dx is very small length, which is very near to the C. So I am assuming that the current for a length dx, okay, I mean to say for this distance dx also, I mean I am taking the current for this point for a small length dx is I am taking this current, right? That is, you know, I into L by 2 minus x. I am taking this current. Okay, ఎందుకంటే C దగ్గర కరెంటు నాకు తెలుసమ్మా, I into L by 2 minus x. సో C దగ్గరే dx అంటే చాలా చాలా తక్కువ. ఓకే, వెరీ స్మాల్ లెంత్. ఓకే, కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుందంటే, సో dx అన్న డిస్టెన్స్ కూడాను dx కూడా ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇది ఈస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అట్ C. కాబట్టి C దగ్గర కరెంట్ ఇచ్చి I into L by 2 minus x. Now coming to this, you need to know the resistance R. Okay, what is the resistance R? So what is the discussion we have? The discussion we have is you know that what is the resistance? Resistance is R. Okay, resistance is R. Okay, we discussed, right? Otherwise, you know, I am telling right now. So what is the resistance means? Resistance is R per meter. Okay, resistance is for every meter, let the resistance is R. Okay, let R be the resistance for every meter. So for a length L, resistance is L into R. Okay, we don't know ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే అమ్మా R అనేది ఏంటంటే let a resist, R will be the resistance for every 1 meter. Okay, R is the resistance for every 1 meter. So total length is L, so total resistance is L into R. Okay, now coming to this, now dx. Okay, so now you tell me the resistance I need to calculate. So what is the resistance up to C? The resistance up to C is what? The resistance up to C is that you have to tell. Okay, so you know X. Now I am calculating the voltage for this length dx, right? So resistance is what? Resistance is we need to write R. So I am writing the resistance is, the length is dx, so multiply by R. The length is dx multiply by R. అంటే ఏంటమ్మా సింపుల్ గా చెప్తాను చూడమ్మా. సో 1 మీటర్ కి రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఓకే 0.1 మీటర్, ఐ మీన్ 0.1 ఓం అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 0.1 ఓం అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. ఓకేనా, 1 మీటర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ 0.1 ఓం అయితే 2 మీటర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? R into 2 అవుతుంది, అంతేనా? దట్ ఈస్ 0.2 అవుతుంది. సిమిలర్లీ ఇక్కడ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము? రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఈస్ R ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 1 మీటర్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ మీటర్ ద రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఈస్ R. సో ఫర్ dx మీటర్, ఫర్ dx లెంత్, the resistance is that length is dx multiply by resistance R. అంటే ఆ లెంత్ ఎంతైతే రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుందో అంత అన్నమాట. సో dx into R. Okay, so from this we can write it as, so from this how to write this means, so this equation can be written as, so current I into R into L by 2 minus X into dx. Okay, so this is what? This is the voltage drop. This is the voltage drop for a length of dx. Okay, the length of dx. Okay, very simple, very simple. So that is voltage drop in the sense current into resistance. Okay, now what is current? Okay, so I am taking the current at point C. Why at point C means, since you know at point C the current is I into L by 2 minus X, and dx is very small length, so assuming that the current at dx also the same one, I into L by 2 minus X. Now coming to the resistance, for every 1 meter resistance is R. So for a length dx, resistance is dx into R. So voltage drop is IR into L by 2 minus X. This is for a small length dx. Now what is the voltage drop for entire distributor? Voltage drop for entire distributor is from A to B. So that means we need to calculate. Okay, I mean to say, otherwise you know, let me calculate voltage drop up to C. Okay, now what is the voltage drop up to C? What is the voltage drop up to C? Voltage drop, okay, up to C. That means we need to integrate this. Okay, we need to integrate this. This is a small length dx. We need to integrate this for a length dx. Okay, so integration of 0 to x. Okay, so I into R into L by 2 minus X. Okay, into dx. So you know, right, this is what? This is the voltage drop for a small length dx. Now for a length of x, so we need to integrate this with respect to x from 0 to x. So IR into L by 2 minus X into dx. So from, if you integrate this, okay, if you integrate this, the value we got is IR by 2 into Lx minus X square. Okay, this is the voltage drop up to C. Okay, you got the point? అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? Okay, so the voltage drop up to C, C పాయింట్ దగ్గర వచ్చి ఇదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు మనం టోటల్ లెంత్ కనుక్కోవాలన్నా కూడా కనుక్కోవచ్చమ్మా. అదేంటంటే, సో ఇదేంటిది వోల్టేజ్ డ్రాప్ అప్ టు డిస్టెన్స్ dx, right? If you replace this x with L, if you replace this x with L, you will get voltage drop for total length. Okay, total length వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, now coming to this.